The other day I was out taking photos, and once I got home, I decided to get working on them straight away. So I loaded them up onto my computer, opened up the editing software, and got to work. But as I was editing the photos, I started to realise that there are these tiny spots in the top right hand corners of almost all of them. I checked my lens thinking that was dirty, but it was perfectly clean. So then I thought it might have been my sensor. In this video, I'm going to show you the process I took to cleaning my sensor. So the first thing I did was taking a picture of a blank surface, and this was just to see how dirty the sensor was. So you can use a wall, a table, anything blank really. So I took a picture of a whiteboard, and as you can see in this photo, the spots are in the exact same place, so it is my sensor and it is quite dirty. If you're in the same situation as me, you're going to need to get your hands on a sensor cleaning kit. I got this one off of Amazon for about €20, and it has everything that I could possibly need to clean both my lenses and my sensor. It comes with stuff like lens tissue and microfiber cloths as well. To clean your sensor, you're going to need the air blower, which will get large particles of dust off, the cleaning fluid, which you can also use to clean your lenses, and a cleaning swab, which is specific to the size of the sensor in your camera. Now that we know what we're using, it's time to clean the sensor. So get the lens off, and you're going to go into your settings, and you need to find the option that says clean manually. This will hold the mirror off the sensor so you can access the sensor. Now that the sensor is exposed, we can grab the air blower, and this will get the finer dust particles off, which should make a massive difference straight away. It's important to hold it upside down as well so the dust doesn't fall back in. And now that we've done that, if you have larger particles on there, you need to grab the swab. So we'll use the swab and the cleaning fluid, give it one spray, and very lightly now we're going to run the swab across the sensor. We'll flip it over and do the same thing. And that should be enough, so we'll turn off the camera just to put the mirror down, and that should be enough. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.